Hello everyone, welcome back to Faithful Foundations. Today I'm going to talk about the Panjim Church, which is located in the heart of Goa. Origin Chapel. The first structure was a small chapel built in 1541 for Portuguese sailors to give thanks before traveling to the old city of Velha Goa. Rebuilt as a church, the chapel was rebuilt and enlarged into the current church in 1619. Agricultural style. The agriculture is a mix of Portuguese-Baroque and Goan styles featuring a whitewashed facade. Adding features: the 78-step zigzag staircase leading to the church was added in 1871. Interior and features: main altar, dedicated to Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Side altars: there is a side altar dedicated to Our Lady of Rosary and another to Crucifixion of Christ. Augustine Bell. The church houses a Augustine Bell, the second largest of its kind in Goa. Annual feast. This church's feast is celebrated on December 8th with 9-day novena preceding it, featuring lights, fireworks, a procession, and a local ferry. Visiting. This church is a popular tourist spot and is often seen in movies. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. God bless you.